All right, so how do we use Screencastify? I'm going to click up here on Screencastify on my browser where it's showing my extension. And if I click once, it may show you this notice that says drawing and annotation tubes are not available on this tab, and that is fine. So I'm going to say OK. So you have a couple of choices you need to make when you are making a screencast. You can choose, are you going to show simply this tab of the browser? It will automatically record the browser tab that you have open and selected. You could choose desktop, and that will show everything, including over here where my mouse is. So if you were going to point someone and tell them to select something over here, you would want to make sure you do the desktop. Or we won't be using this one, but there is the webcam option. You can see as I am recording this that I am getting that green bar to move as I'm using the microphone. So that means that this microphone is working. See how the green bar went away when I stopped talking? If you're having trouble when you start to record and it's not getting your sound, you need to let me know, because I know firsthand how it feels when you think you're recording and it doesn't work. All right, now it says show more options. It's saying, do you want a countdown of 3 seconds? I appreciate a countdown just to get myself ready after I click record. The show drawing tools would be if you want the drawing tools available to you, but I would say that would be after you've done this a few times. System audio. If you are doing something on the computer, on your Chromebook, and you want it not just to record your microphone, but also to record any sounds that are being played on your Chromebook, then you would switch this toggle, and we're not using a webcam. So I have picked desktop, and I'm going to say record. So now, if I am doing this correctly, it would be recording what I have on my screen. The only thing that's tricky is that I'm also using a screencast to make this video. So I'm not sure if the two of them will be able to be happening at the same time. It looks like maybe I need to pause and see what's going on.